Hey everyone, it's amazing to see how far technology has come, especially with generative AI in 2024. Today, I'm diving into the incredible ways generative AI is transforming industries. Let's jump right in. First up, content creation. Generative AI can write articles, blogs, stories, and even scripts. It also helps developers by generating code snippets, debugging, and creating entire programs. For marketers, it crafts product descriptions, email campaigns, social media posts and ads. It's a content powerhouse. Next, art and creativity. AI can generate stunning images, logos and designs from text prompts. It's composing music and soundtracks, automating video production and even creating characters and storylines for video games. Imagine the creative possibilities. Now, let's talk personalization. AI powers recommendation systems for e-commerce and streaming platforms, and it tailors learning modules for a personalized education experience. It's like having a personal assistant for your preferences. When it comes to automation and productivity, AI shines. It powers chatbots for customer support, automates meeting minutes, transcribes audio, and generates workflows for repetitive tasks. Talk about a productivity booster. Healthcare and life sciences are also benefiting. AI helps in drug discovery, enhances medical imaging, and provides mental health support through conversational AI. It's literally a lifesaver. In business and analytics, AI generates synthetic data sets, simulates business outcomes, and creates predictive models for financial trends. It's revolutionizing how businesses strategize and analyze. Education is seeing a transformation too. AI acts as a personalized tutor, aids in creating curricula, quizzes, and even supports language learning. It's shaping the future of education. For research and development, AI assists in simulations, hypothesis generation, and rapid prototyping. It's speeding up innovation and discovery. In entertainment and media, AI generates scripts, powers NPC dialogues in games, and creates synthetic voices and faces for films. It's changing the way we experience media. Lastly, ethical and societal applications. AI is creating tools for disabled individuals and generating solutions for crisis management. It's making a positive impact on society, but there are challenges. Ethical concerns, data biases, intellectual property issues, and the need for responsible deployment are crucial to address. So there you have it. Generative AI is revolutionizing every industry. If you want to dive deeper, check out Palium Skills courses on generative AI and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time. See you next.